Gospelology, oh, Gospelology, Gospelology, uh-oh, Gospelology, Gospelology, oh, Gospelology, Gospelology, uh-oh, Gospelology, Gospelology, oh. Jesus turned water into wine. It's amazing. Jesus even healed the blind. It's amazing. How all the planets are aligned. How all chemicals are designed. Teaching the gospel with a scientific twist. All of his miracles are magnificent. Teaching the gospel with a scientific twist. All of his miracles are magnificent. Oh, Gospelology, Gospelology.
Well, hello, all you boys and girls out there in TV and internet land. Oh, Promac is so excited that you're back in her laboratory outside. Wow. Well, we had such a great Bible story today. Wow, Miss Latrice did such an amazing job talking about how God healed the man who was deaf and could not speak. Whoa. You know what? Sometimes we wonder if God can hear us. Well, when you pray, God is listening. Well, today I wanted to do an experiment to show you how high our prayers can actually go and how God can hear us. Well, I have my famous Diet Coke. That's right. And I have my Mentos, and I'm going to do it about a couple of times because, you know, sometimes we think that our prayers are low and then sometimes we think they go really high. Well, right now I put in here 7 Mentos, so I'm going to see how high it goes with 7 Mentos. Okay, so let's see what happens. Boys and girls, are you ready?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay, all right, here we go.
Did you?
Whoa! Oh, that was a good one, too. Okay, cool. Okay, I have some regular yeast, and I'm adding some warm water to them both because you got to stir it for 30 seconds. And this is going to be our catalyst, okay? And remember, catalysts are things that make other things happen. Okay, so we got some over here. We got some over here. We got some over here. Don't want to mix too much. Then we got this. Okay, now remember, I'm using 2 different volumes of hydrogen peroxide. I have the regular 3% volume that we use in our home every day to gargle and take care of all of our needs, if we have some that need that. And I'm going to pour 150 milliliters, which is about a half a cup, about 5 ounces, okay? So I'm gonna pour it in my flask right here in 1. Okay. And then I'm gonna pour it in my other one over here. I'm gonna use the big one, the higher volume. This one's the 40%. Okay. Also, we're going to put 150 milligrams. So it's the same amount, but different volume. We have the 3% and then we have the 40. So which one do you think is going to react more when I pour the catalyst in? The 40 or the 3? Okay, well, you think it's the 3? You're gonna go with 40? Okay, all right, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I can get it at the same time. Whoa, whoa, very interesting, huh? You know what I didn't use? Dish soap. Wow. Did it make a difference? Yeah. It made a huge difference not using the dish soap. So let's try it again with dish soap. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to actually use a whole nother bottle and then I'm going to use the dish soap. Let me get another bottle. And to my left is the 40. Okay.
So for us, the 40 would be on the right and the 3 would be on the left.
exactly.
Okay, I actually think the 30 is gonna go.
Yeah, you seen something there, didn't you? Uh-huh. You were checking it out. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this is the 40. Okay, so we have 40 and we have 3%. Now let's add our dish soap, because the dish soap creates bubbles, and inside of bubbles are what?
Air?
Air. What is air?
It's a gas.
Look at these guys, the little gospelologists. Okay, here we go. Okay, and it catches the gas when we mix the catalyst in it, which is the yeast. Okay.
They wanted blue and red.
Okay, let's put some food coloring. This one I'll try to do to the side so it actually can create that toothpaste effect. Well, it's not that much blue left, but it should do. And red. And you put it to the side so it, like when it comes up, it gives it that elephant toothpaste look, like you're squeezing the toothpaste. Okay, so now I need my catalyst, which is the yeast, right? So I'm gonna take it. Here's my yeast packs. Cut them. Cut that down.
So, what do you think it's going to be?
I have my warm water here. Mix it up. Actually, what I could do, instead of it going at the same time, to really get a really good effect, I can actually do it separate. And then we can really look. So it's actually, now you don't even have to do left and right. You could say the blue is the 40, right? And the red is the 3. Okay? Okay, so.
So I think it's going to be red.
Okay, so let's start with the blue. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. It's going slow. And let's come over here to the red.
The red went way
Whoa, real fast. Wow. Look at the toothpaste.
The blue is actually going more toothpaste way.
It sure is. So you had two different types of reactions. You had one that is moving slowly but is creating the effect that you want, right? And then you had one that went really crazy
Which is
but just kind of blew up,
volcano.
right? And that was the 3%, huh?
Yeah.
And this was the 40%. So, but which one has more? Well, I guess too, this one has more volume too, because it's thicker.
And they're both going at the same time.
They sure are, but this looks just like AIM toothpaste. You know the AIM that you, really cool. And I love it. You should see it over here. It's really cool. You can come up close. Don't touch, because it's an exothermic reaction. You know what that is? Exothermic reaction? Right, exactly. And you can feel the heat. But check that out over there. You see that?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? You like that? Isn't that nice?
Looks like a mix between blood and
Oh, yeah, that does look like that, huh? But it's cool. You see the design in there? Cool, yeah.
like a zigzag.
Yep, and when you know it's exothermic, sometimes you can see the smoke come up from it, you know? And you can feel the heat.
See, now this one has more coming out than that one, and you did that one after.
I did. So, cool, huh?
Yes.
Thanks for your help. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Thanks.
Thank you, my little gospelologists, my little lab rats today. Appreciate you.